How should we start it?
We're gonna show you how we stay warm without our heater when it's below freezing but not too cold, like that kind of thing, right?
Are you gonna say it?
No, you can say it.
Well, in this video, we're gonna show you how we sleep in our van on the nights below freezing when we don't use our heater. We generally don't turn it on until at least -10 or -15. We find a good down blanket generally does more than enough. We usually don't spend much time in our van during the day. We're usually out or we're driving to the next place we're going to adventure. So the interior of the van generally warms up on its own when we're driving. And if we're not here for 3 or 4 days, we kind of don't really care if it freezes in here. So this is what we do when we want to stay warm.
First, is that okay? Should I get the window covering?
Let's do the bed first and then I'll hand them to you.
Okay. You better watch it.
Holy!
Yeesh.
All the leaves coming out of the...
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this before it gets worse.
You watch it.
Why don't you tuck that in?
I'm trying to. What is this? Was that garbage right there?
What's that?
That plastic bag, is that garbage?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, window coverings?
Yep. Climb in, take off your shoes, I'll close the door.
Alright, one sec. One sec. Oh, God.
Yep. Pass me the back one.
Yeah, one sec.
That one is harsh.
Yeah. Stupid leaves. Where are they all coming from?
What's that?
I said, where are they all coming from?
Or what all
The
comes from?
leaves.
The what?
The leaves.
Oh, from the crack here in this back.
Oh. Remember to shove it more towards your side than my side.
Yep. Already done.
Okay. Are you coming in here right away?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Can I get in?
Yep.
Actually, before I do that.
Yikes. Alright. Yeah, we need to get a little curtain for that also. Okay, so this one is this side.
Okay, here, I'll do it.
I'm gonna close this window, yeah?
Yep.
And then here's this one for that one.
This is all on video, by the way.
I know. No one's gonna see it, but us.
Oh, that's what you think. This is going to be what's going to make it go viral. It's like you're dressing to go on a winter expedition. You're crawling into down blankets. Now, Marilyn sleeps colder than I do, so she puts herself in this, which is a 750 fill power down sleeping bag. It says comfort to 9 degrees Celsius, transition to 4, and risk at -10. I know there's an international standard that determines those, but I really don't think they mean much anyways. At 10 degrees, I wouldn't even be able to sleep in this thing. It'd be too warm. But down to 0 degrees, -5 degrees inside the van. It might be -10 or -15 outside. This on its own would probably be warm enough. But,
And this is like just a sleeping bag, right?
yeah, it's just a
So
sleeping
yeah, the
bag.
nice thing that I like about this thing is, of course, it's got like, this is like
Foot box.
a foot box, yeah. So I can keep my toesies
Toes for
cozy
other humans.
in this thing without them falling out of the blankets and getting cold that way.
She also likes to sleep with her feet hanging off the bed. Weirdo, I know. But this keeps them warm when she does that. These, we have 2 of these. These are 700 fill power down blankets from Costco. I believe they were like $35 Canadian each. They're the size of a queen size bed without any overhang. So they're just about right for 2 people to sleep under. In this bed, it's a little bit bigger, so it works out perfectly. So we literally just spread these out on top. Make sure we get the orientation right. I can already feel, just from putting that on my leg, it was cold at first because it's filled with cold air, but I can feel it go to hot like within seconds, just reflecting and storing my body heat.
I think it's gotta be like this. Yeah.
Picky, picky, picky. Okay, so then here's the next one.
Just gotta look for the tag.
Tag is kind of our
Right here.
reference point. Okay, so
So-
like this. Whew, feel it getting warm under already. So that's
Are we doing the fleece on top or no?
tonight probably not.
Where's the bag?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, here.
Oh, right there. We also have a fleece blanket, just like regular fleece. We got it from Mountain Equipment Co-op, but you can buy them anywhere. It's a little bit bigger than these. So we'll usually throw it on top if it is a cooler night. Tonight it's not, so we probably won't need it. Halfway through the night,
Should I pull it out though?
yeah, pull it out.
Okay.
Halfway through the night, we will pull it out if it does seem to get colder, but for the most part, that's not a big deal. Worst case, we have a Chinese diesel heater, which we just plug in the controller and we can turn off and on as we need. We've got about 7 or 8 liters of diesel in the tank, so we can go almost a week of 8-hour nights at that, or on a 24-hour period. I think on low we can get 24 hours for like 1.5 liters, something like that. Anyways, this is essentially these, and this is right now it folded in half. So once it opens up, of course it covers us better. We don't need to open it all the way up, do we?
I don't know.
I'd
Depends
say
if we
no.
want to use it or not.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna be too warm.
I'll put it on my side because the chances are I might.
No, then it's gonna slide off onto the floor and get dirty.
I don't think so.
It does. You know it does. Let's pull it up and put it away.
Fine.
Then in the video, people think I get my way at least once.
Always get your way.
Tuck it up in here.
There's no room there.
Yeah, where you just pulled it out of.
No, I pulled it on the other side.
Well, it's the same size of door. Go down to the bottom. Yeah. We store all of our blankets in that cubby hole, which is perfect.
I'm just gonna put it up here because the chances are I might want it in the middle of the night.
But yeah, everything fits into that bottom cubby hole space. In the summertime, we don't hardly sleep with anything, maybe one of those. So we don't have to carry as much with us. We can put these in the boxes on the roof. But really, that's it. This is how we sleep. She's really picky when it comes to cold weather sleeping. So if this works for her, I'm going to guess there isn't anybody that this wouldn't work for. It's amazing what a down blanket will do to store your heat overnight. Yeah, so I don't know, anything else we missed?
I don't think so. Get.
Okay. Well, we're ready for bed. We have our fleece blankets on. She decided in the end she wanted it. So you can see here are 2 fleece blankets, 1 down blanket, another down blanket, and she has her sleeping bag, and I'm just wearing my pelican socks. So that will keep us more than toasty. It is chilly outside. We just went to the bathroom with our jackets on and we're cold, but don't have to worry about that for too long because once we get under the covers, it warms up fast. Yeah, so nighty night.
Okay, let the harassment begin.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Can you not?
It's too tempting and warm.
No.
Plus, look at that $1 million smile. I can tell you love it. Oh, yeah.
Please.
Please do it some more?
No.
Oh, you said please.
Get.
I'm just cuddling.
No, you're not. Stop.
I'm not putting it under your sweater. Oh, the sun has just started hitting. Well, good morning. We turned on the furnace about 45 minutes ago. It's always nice to warm up the inside because as warm as it gets under the covers, it's very cold outside of the covers. But we're gonna get up. We've got some drone shots to catch of sunrise as it hits the mountaintops. So we'll show that to you here in a bit too. But yeah, time to get the day going. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.